So after hitting a new all-time high recently, Shiba Inu witnessed a correction, and now it looks that it is eyeing a bullish trend in the coming days. On the other hand, Dogecoin shrank to 40% of Robinhood's Q3 earnings. In this video, I'll talk about the expected bull run for Shiba Inu while taking a peek into recent developments in the crypto world. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So Shiba Inu recently fell below a rising trend line that had held the price steady in the previous week, and following a 13% daily decline, Shiba Inu is now more than 25% below its recently achieved all-time high and is currently testing crucial support at $0.00006. And it appears that the price movement has now formed a huge descending triangle, which often breaks down. Besides, the nearest resistance level is $0.00007, and if the descending triangle is broken, Shiba Inu may attempt to break out to the bullish side. So as I said in a previous video, that Shiba Inu has recently surpassed Dogecoin in terms of market cap, there is a debate going on whether Shiba Inu can also surpass Dogecoin in terms of price. And joining this debate, popular market analysts Income Sharks have recently highlighted that while Shiba Inu's market cap has overtaken Dogecoin's market cap, it is highly improbable that their prices will follow suit. Their argument is that a large number of people already own Shiba Inu, which cannot be burned. As such, an excessive supply may stymie price increase. Additionally, even if its price rises significantly, Shiba Inu holders will likely sell a little too soon. On the other hand, Shiba Inu holders are extremely bullish and confident that Shiba Inu will quickly become one of the top 5 cryptos and surpass Dogecoin in terms of price. However, I think that it is too early to predict whether Shiba Inu can surpass Doge or not, so we should wait and see how the market reacts in the future. Meanwhile, the recent price spike of Shiba Inu has prompted hundreds of enthusiasts to ask Robinhood to add the asset to its trading platform. According to available data on change.org, over 400,000 individuals have signed a petition to have Shiba Inu featured on Robinhood. Notably, if the petition receives 500,000 signatures, it will become one of the most popular petitions on change.org. Besides, Tristan Luke, the petition's creator, has recently stated that the petition is intended to gently urge that Robinhood should offer Shiba Inu for trading. To bolster his argument, Luke stated that Robinhood can replicate its success with Dogecoin by offering Shiba Inu as well, given both popular are coins. On the other hand, crypto expert and trader Justin Bennett has recently stated that the US dollar's weakness might launch a new parabolic rally for Bitcoin. He said that he is keeping a watch on the US dollar index, which compares the US dollar to a basket of other major fiat currencies, and a weakened dollar indicates that investors are placing a premium on other assets rather than the world's reserve currency. And according to Bennett, the US dollar index is nearing the bottom of a rising channel, and if it breaks through the bottom and begins a significant downturn, the breakdown will serve as the catalyst for Bitcoin to experience a parabolic surge. In the short term, Bennett anticipates Bitcoin consolidating further before finding a bottom near the $57,000 mark. And from there, the expert believes that Bitcoin will break out in early November and reach $75,000 by the middle of the month. So do you think that the US dollar's weakness can launch a new rally for Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments section below. Meanwhile, it has been reported that the sponsor of the first ever ETF backed by Bitcoin futures, ProShares, has requested a waiver of the fund's limit on the total number of Bitcoin futures that a client can acquire. According to reports, beginning with the November front-month contract, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange will cap the total number of futures that a person can purchase in the new ETF at 4,000, dropping to 2,000 3 days before expiration. Given that each contract equals 5 Bitcoin and an individual can own a maximum of 20,000 Bitcoin. And to avoid having such a low limit, ProShares has opted to divide its futures portfolio in half in October and half in November. Seeing this, Barron's CEO, Michael Sapir, has stated that if the Chicago Mercantile Exchange declines to accept the waiver proposal, ProShares may shift assets into futures contracts, swaps, or structured notes. Besides, co-founder of Apple Steve Wozniak has recently stated that he views Bitcoin as mathematical purity, admiring its limited quantity. However, he thinks that governments will never allow it to be out of their control. He went on to say that the issue is that governments will never allow it to become uncontrollable, and if it got to the point where everything was done in crypto and not subjected to government oversight and taxation, governments would just restrict it, since they would not relinquish their authority. And while praising crypto, he said that crypto has an enormous lot of promise through the blockchain in terms of different things it can accomplish differently in life, including elections, and it has an extremely trustworthy format that cannot be easily amended while humans are in control. He also highlighted parallels between the US currency and Bitcoin, stating that if we look at the US dollar, the government can simply print new dollars and borrow at will, whereas Bitcoin is purely mathematical and no new Bitcoin can be created. So as he has just praised cryptos and talked about their utility, it appears as though his comments will have a beneficial effect on Bitcoin and other cryptos. Meanwhile, the classic Bitcoin white paper marks 13 years of financial upheaval since it was first published in 2008 by a mysterious individual or organization known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, anticipated the need for a self-governing, secure, and limited quantity peer-to-peer online payment system, and based on it, the Bitcoin network was launched on January 3, 2009, with each Bitcoin priced at $0.0008 at that time. And while traditional financial institutions initially viewed Bitcoin as a threat, 13 years of community support and an ever-growing user base had transformed Bitcoin into one of the most rewarding investments for the internet age. Moreover, the rise of Bitcoin led to a huge wave of other cryptos which are now getting adopted as a payment method in different sectors. And now this is interesting as it has been reported that a huge digital billboard promoting Shiba Inu has recently appeared in Times Square, New York City. The display reads that we will soon reach the moon, referring to a widely used slang expression in the crypto world. However, Shiba Inu is not the first coin to land in Times Square. Earlier this year, proponents of Dogecoin purchased advertising space in one of the world's busiest pedestrian locations in an effort to promote their favorite crypto. And while the Shiba Inu has made great progress in terms of exchange listings over the last 2 months, purchasing it in New York remains tough due to rigorous requirements. And it appears that this is the reason why this display was placed by the members of the community. On the other hand, during an interview with Bloomberg Technology, Michael Saylor was asked to give his opinion on Shiba Inu and its rival Dogecoin, to which he said that he has no opinions about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Meanwhile, Saylor emphasized Bitcoin's utility and technology. Additionally, he stated that there are others who are focused on DeFi and NFT, and that meme coins are held by speculators and entertainers. He went on to say that everyone has their own interests, which is a part of the crypto world and is what keeps the area fascinating and intriguing. Besides, it appears that Shiba Inu doesn't need Robinhood anymore since its community is still growing without being listed on the trading platform. We have recently witnessed that Shiba Inu hit a new all-time high last week, and it also surpassed Dogecoin and took the 9th spot on the list of leading cryptos in terms of market cap. However, it would be too early to say whether Shiba Inu requires Robinhood or not. But what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Shiba Inu can thrive without being listed on Robinhood? Let me know in the comment section below. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.